How to book yourself a Haramain Railway ticket here on the app. So right here, so in the app right here, I'll be teaching you how to book yourself your Haramain Railway ticket. So right now, all we need to do is open up our app right here. Once we open up our app right here, you will see activities. So here there's activities. Press on activities right there. After pressing activities right there, all we need to do is click on the Haramain Railway. Then press on the Haramain Railway right there. After pressing the railway right there, we can choose ourselves a railway. For example, this one right here. Then check availability. Then let's say we're gonna choose it on 21. Let's say 21 right there. Put in 233. Continue. Put in your name right there, then click on continue. Once you click on continue, next thing you need to do is pay. So pay. So once you continue and click on pay right there, you'll be able to check it out, and the ticket will be also shown in the app itself, or you can also see it in your email once you put your email as well right here. And also you can put in your number for more securely and much more sure when you're gonna check you're gonna buy yourself a railway ticket, right, or a train ticket. But yeah, there you guys, that's your go. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, concerns about the question below, guys, happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on Guide Glimpse. There you guys, see you next one, guys, and thank you guys.